Hello everybody, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this body care routine. I like to do my body care routine at the end of the week in order to give myself that full dose of self-care that we all need after a long stressful week. To start off, I like to do an oil massage just with avocado or olive oil before I hit the steam that's in the shower in order to get that type of oil treatment for my scalp. To start off, I use this nourishing body wash in my sapo or just an African netted sponge. It's something that people in Africa use. It's really great for exfoliating in order to get rid of hyperpigmentation, which allows for brightening, get rid of those dead skin cells, and allow you to have really smooth skin. And always, always, always wash your legs. Remember that time period where people were talking about just letting the water rinse down? Absolutely not. We wash our legs around here, and I really like to focus my sapo on my harder or more hyperpigmented areas such as my knees and my feet. Now we're going to begin to focus in on foot care, specifically using this dual-sided foot scrubber and pumice stone. So I really just scrub my feet, both of them, just spending time getting underneath my toenails and everything such as that, and then I'll just flip around and use my pumice stone when I'm ready. Doing this routine has really made my feet really soft. I was never one to have really soft feet, but after I started incorporating this, my feet have become incredibly smooth and soft. Prior to shaving, I like to do a little bit more exfoliating. In this case, I use my DIY body scrub that I will show you at the end of the video in order to make sure that my skin's really smooth. Of course, I go over my feet and also my trouble areas such as my knees again, and just anywhere that I'm going to shave, I like to make sure it's really smooth so I can have an easy, clean shave. I will focus on my elbows because that is a problem area for me, and if I have any left, I'll just use a scrub on my hands just to make sure that they're nice and smooth as well. When it comes to shaving, I just like to use at least a 3-blade razor and some conditioner. That'll just help soften my skin and make it easy to shave. So yeah, I'm not really focused in on using shaving cream because I feel like it's the same thing. So just making sure you're using a conditioner that'll help your skin get really smooth. Right after my shower, I like to wash my face using this hydrating cream to foam cleanser and this little scrubbing brush that I got from Target. Just taking the time to really make sure that my skin feels clean. This is non-stripping, so I don't get that squeaky clean feel, but it just feels really nice. Next up, I'll use a face treatment. This is the Glow Better by Shea Moisture face mask. It has turmeric in it and honey, so it just really makes sure that your skin is moisturized, but also the turmeric helps with hyperpigmentation for any acne marks, so I really like it. And I'll just allow it to sit on my face while I continue on with my routine. I always use a very moisturizing lotion because I do have eczema in certain areas, And I also always put my lotion on with damp or near wet skin in order to lock in the moisture. And then any deodorant will work for me. Honestly, I don't really sweat that much. I always like to match up my fragrances to whatever lotion or body wash I was using previously, so I'm just sticking with the cherry blossom scent. I like to shave my face with a facial razor in order to get rid of dead skin cells and also help with hyperpigmentation. I believe it lets my acne scars just look a little less prominent, and also it helps my products seep into my skin better and my makeup looks really smooth. I'm not going to show my full skincare routine, but I'm just going to show my moisturizer. And I do skip sunscreen when I'm staying inside, obviously, because I'm not going to be in the sun. Let's start off with this DIY body scrub. The first thing I'm going to use is Epsom salt. I'll take a cup of that and put it into the cup. Epsom salt is really coarse, so it is the exfoliant in the concoction. Next up, I'll just use a little bit of sea moss. Sea moss just has so many benefits for your skin, for your hair, for your nails, everything. And lastly, just a little bit of avocado oil or any moisturizing oil will do. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate your support. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also lastly, if you're feeling like it or if you have dry skin like me, I do add a little bit of honey sometimes as a humectant in a moisturizer. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys and have a good one.